Fast Start Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. Welcome back. If this is the first video that you're seeing in this free training series, then I would encourage you to do a couple things. First, subscribe to the channel so you can get new updates when they come out. So hit that subscribe button. And then secondly, I'd encourage you to go back and watch these other videos. So there's video 1, video 2, video 3. They're all in the playlist. If you go to playlists on my site, you'll find this Fast Start Affiliate Marketing playlist. Go ahead and watch those 3 videos before we jump into this one. So where are we at? We talked about the overview of this process, and here it is. This is what we're doing, is we're creating a very simple yet powerful and effective marketing funnel, and this is using email marketing. And so this is the process. Send traffic to your opt-in page, and then you can send that traffic to an upsell page or a links page, as well as maybe another affiliate product page. And then they're also going to start automatically receiving these follow-up emails. And so once you have this funnel set up, the beauty of it is this is your only job. Your only job at that point is traffic. Let me get rid of all this, sorry. Your only job at that point is traffic. Just getting traffic to that email opt-in page. And then the rest of it is automated. Now, this is what we're talking about today, how to create these upsells. Because once somebody opts in on your opt-in page, that is a great time to present them with some offers where you could earn commissions. And so they're in a mood, they've already, kind of taken a commitment step by giving you their email. And so this is a great time to try to maybe show them an offer. So I'm going to show you 2 different ways on how you can make these upsells, okay? The first way is just by creating what's called a links page. And this is probably one of the better ways to do it. And then I'll show you a separate way how you can use a software that creates these upsell offers for you, okay? We did talk about in the second video how to choose a niche, how to find offers to promote. We are going to be, for this training series, using the Make Money Online niche. In the last video, we talked about how to make your email opt-in page. That is super important. And so make sure you go back and watch that video if you haven't seen that. And now in today's video, how to create your upsell offers, okay? And that's where we're at here. So again, go back and watch those previous videos if you haven't. Now, what we are doing, you do need a couple things to create this funnel. Number 1, step 1, you do need an email autoresponder. I only recommend Aweber or GetResponse. I have links for both of those down in the description box below this video, so make sure you have your email autoresponder account set up. And then the other thing you need is you need a page/funnel builder. My favorite and one I use is HBA Funnel Builder. It is low cost. It is super simple to use, drag and drop easy. They have tons of built-in templates, and again, it is much lower cost than its comparable competitors out there. And again, I kind of went over that in the first video and certainly in the last video, and we're going to jump into our HBA Funnel Builder. So here we are, because if you remember, we will click on our funnels. That's going to open up the funnels that I've created so far. And we made this test funnel last time. And so we just kind of played. Let me open this up. This is the opt-in page that we kind of played around with, showed you how you could change these things, how you link it to your autoresponder. And now what we're going to do is we are going to add a step. And this is going to be a links page. So after they go to and give their email opt-in, they're going to go to this next page. So let's open that up. And then if you click here, links pages, they have a few different examples. And again, you can preview those. And so what it is just a series of links, okay, that people can click on. And so this is the one we're going to use. So I'm going to hit select. We're just going to call this our, we'll call it our thank you links. Okay, and let's go ahead and add that page. So now what you'd want to do obviously is on this image is you would want to change this so you could add your own picture if you have one, or just remove it if you don't, or this is where you could add a logo. Yeah, it's a great place to do a logo. Okay, so let me just, I guess, real quick, go find an image, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I grabbed one of my logos. Let me upload that. Let me get back here. Let me find it. There it is. Let's go ahead and add that. Okay, so let's add that. There we go. All right, and so you can just make an additional. I did this in Canva. Just made a quick logo. Canva, you can make all kinds of great graphics. They have pre-designed things. So anyway, you can go into Canva, make a nice logo like that, brand yourself, and then obviously we want to edit this material because we are not Debbie Penner. Okay, so let's go ahead and back up here. I might just leave the welcome. Hello and welcome from online Verb. I'm excited to show you what we have to offer for your online business success. Something like that. And then you could, usually I say something like, please check your email inbox for my welcome message. And then I always like to remind them, you may need to check your promotions tab or spam junk folder, just so they know to look. Okay, and so let's save that. And so if we were to look at this, this is what it would look like. So pretty clean, nice little welcome message. And then this is where you can edit these links. And so let's see, we might actually even go in here and say, and it may take 15 minutes for your welcome email to arrive. So while you wait, please look at these special offers below. Okay, so let's do that, and we'll update that. There we go. So look at these special offers below, and again, because you can edit everything in here, right? You might want to go in and make that bold, italic. You certainly could change the color if you want. Okay, so again, see, this is what I mean by the HBA Funnel Builders. Drop and drag easy, okay? Super, super simple. So you can see how quickly we change that. Now, what I would suggest, so, this person, we use their template, so obviously they have these things set up to go to their businesses, but you can change this very, very easily, right? Now, you're probably, people that, again, are working online like yourself, you need an autoresponder, Aweber, get response. And so you could go in here and you could easily click on this, edit it, Aweber, autoresponder, and then where do you want this to go? Well, you don't want to go to the next funnel step. You want to open it up to, an external link. Where do you want that to go? Well, I'm just going to put in the Aweber, actually, I don't know, I'm trying to guess and type. Let's just go in here. Well, landing, it's going to give me that landing page. So you wouldn't put that in here. You'd put in your affiliate link, okay? And we want that to open in a new tab, let's say. So let's select that. Let's go ahead and okay, good. So let's save that. Now if we go back here, let me refresh the page. Now if I click on Aweber Autoresponder, it is going to open a new tab to their landing page. Now again, you want that to be your affiliate link. You could do the same thing for GetResponse, put your GetResponse link in. If you're promoting the Home Business Academy, which I would encourage you to because it's got an 80% affiliate referral program, so it's got a nice payout, you could put that there. If you have hosting plans or Udemy, which is a solo ad traffic service, you could get your link, put that in there. You could, you know, if you have some other affiliate products that you're promoting, high ticket or whatnot, you could make these as long as you want, okay? And so this is a great way, after someone gives their email opt-in, this is a great way for you to then be able to have the opportunity to make some commissions by putting your affiliate links in these places, okay? And so that's what I'm talking when I say a links page right here, links page, that's what we're talking about, is this type of page. These work really well. You know, it conveys professionalism. You're giving them instructions so they know exactly what to expect. And you're hopefully going to have the opportunity to make some affiliate commissions as well from that page. Okay, so that is the links page method. Super easy, works great, and you can get that right inside your HBA Funnel Builder. So that is method number one. Now, method number two that I think works really well also is using this is a SaaS, it's an online software called Commission Bar. And I'll leave a link in the description box down below for it as well. But basically what this allows you to do is create product offers and then link, well, not only by, let me say, what it allows you to do basically is use someone else's sales page. The software will iframe it, and then you can link as many sales pages as you want together. So you could link 2, 3, 4, 5, and it just keeps going from one to the next, to the next, to the next, and it connects them all together. And so this is a really good method if you don't have your own product, okay? So the first thing you do when you come into Commission Bar is you have to set up your offers. Oops, it logged me out. Let me go back in. Okay, and so I had set up some test offers from a previous video, so let me just go in here. And so these are a couple ClickBank products, ClickWealth System and Empire. And if you go in here, when you set this offer up, you give it a name and the URL. And so this is my affiliate link for ClickWealth System from ClickBank. Okay, and so that you can go into, here's ClickBank, you're going to go into the marketplace. Yeah, okay, hold on, it logged me out. Everything's logging me out. But you can go in, you can find your products from inside the ClickBank marketplace. And so like if we look for the ClickWealth System, you'll see, you know, got a nice high gravity, average payout is not super great, $14, but that's kind of what you want for your upsell offer number one. You want a low ticket offer, something that's not going to cost a lot. So that's actually a really nice one for the first upsell offer, okay? Oops. And then the other one that I used is something called Empire. When you go into ClickBank, it's actually this free traffic system. Flood your sites with free traffic. So again, good, good gravity. You can see obviously a much higher. But the nice thing about this, if you go to the site, you'll see they offer a $1. You can join for $1, and then it's $37 a month after that. So, you know, a lot of people will, hey, why not? Let me give it a try for $1. I can always cancel. And so again, very attractive as a second upsell offer is Empire. And then also it's nice because it's recurring also if they do decide to get started. Okay, so that's how you can find your affiliate products. And then what you do is you set up these, what they're called offers in Commission Bar. So here's my offer for ClickWealth System with my affiliate links. Let me save that. And then if we go back and search, you'll see here's my other for Empire, and I set this up already. I gave it my name, Test Empire, and my affiliate link. Okay, so now that I have my two offers that I want for my upsells, okay, so just to recap, if we go back here, Click Wealth System is going to be upsell offer number 1, and Empire is going to be upsell offer number 2, and I'm going to link to them and link them together using the Commission Bar software, and we do that by creating a funnel. And so if we go into funnel, now I have this set up already, so let me just open up my test 1, I believe it is. Let's open it and see. And all the training is in here, so that's why I'm not going to go super in depth. But yep, here it is. So your final URL, you have to put in, that's where they're going to end up. Okay, and so that could be a thank you page. That could be a links page. That could be your links page, right? You could actually make this your final URL. And that means after they click here, and then they go on to here, where are they going to go after this is what that means. What's their final URL? Okay, and so you could make that your links page where you say, hey, welcome or thank you, etc. Here I just put Google, and then you find your offers. Okay, so you have all your offers in your system. You find it, and then this is what is going to be overlaid on top of the sales page. No thanks, this offer is not for me. Click here, and I usually like to make this color green. I think it looks more friendly. And then let's save that, and then you find your second offer, which is Empire. You make that your second offer. Now you could add another offer, right? You could add a third offer, okay? You could add a fourth offer. So you can just keep linking. We're just going to use these two. Let's just save that again. And then what it's going to do, it is going to give you a, sometimes it does that. Let's go through here. Let's try it again. It's going to give you a link for this funnel that we just created. Okay, I'm not sure what's doing that. Let's go. Sometimes it does. It gets a little glitchy. Let's go back. Find my test funnel. Here it is. Let's promote it. There it is. Okay, that's the link. Now, if I go and put that into the search bar here, you're going to see this is the first upsell offer. So this is Click Wealth System. If they play that, and then if they decide to purchase, the buy button should show up after the video plays for so long, then you make a commission. Now they might say, no thanks, this offer is not for me, click here. So they click here, and that'll go to now Empire. Now we're iframing that Empire sales page, okay? And so they can get started if they want, and you earn a commission, right? Or if they say, no thanks, it's not for me, go to free report, or go to thank you page, or go to welcome page. You can put whatever you want here. Remember, we had Google as our final destination, and so they end up on Google. Here they are. And so that is how Commission Bar works. And it is great. It's a great way to piggyback these offers and create a funnel very, very well. I think it's a one-time payment for Commission Bar. I think it's $47 and very reasonable. And that allows you, again, to link these pages together. And you could really have as many upsell offers as you want at that point. So those are the two ways how to make these upsell offers, either going in and making a links page like this, which I think this is great. I love this. It's easy. It's done. It's already in your HBA Funnel Builder. You just need to edit put it on your own affiliate links, change out the products if you want. Okay, you can put whatever you want in these links. Okay, you can put your social media if you want. You can do whatever you want. That's the great thing about a links page like that. Or you can make these funnels in Commission Bar where you're promoting low-ticket offers to try to make some money after they give you their email opt-in page. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next video.